In this video, I will show you how you can scan for viruses on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Device Care. From here, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option for App Protection. Now just tap on it, then tap on Turn On. Now as you can see, the app protection will scan for issues each time you install an app. Now this may make the app installation a bit slower, but it will allow you to block the installation of apps with security risks. Now just tap on Turn On. Now if you want to scan the apps which are already installed on your Samsung phone, just tap on Scan Phone, and it will start scanning all the apps which are installed on your Samsung phone. As you can see, we have scanned all the apps on our Samsung phone and no security threat was detected. Now, this was the first method. For the second method, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store, then tap on your profile icon. From here, just scroll down and tap on Play Protect, then tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner on the screen, and just make sure that this option is enabled. Also, make sure you enable Improve Harmful App Detection. Now, after you enable both of these options, then just go back and tap on Scan. And after you do that, Play Protect will scan your phone and it will look for harmful apps or security threats. And as you can see, no harmful apps were found. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.